Alao. The meaning of this Oriki may seem inaccessible, but that is so only because there has been an Iparoje in the pronouncing of that name. Iparoje is simply an ellipsis, the taking away of a letter, and that happens a lot in Yoruba names. Iparoje and Isunki. Isunki is to shrink a word, to shorten a word, to shrink it by omitting certain syllables. In the name Alao, there has been an Iparoje, a letter has been removed, and that letter is the letter W, which the English calls W. The full name is Alao, Alao. When that has registered, proceeding into the breakdown will be less difficult. So, Alao, kí ni ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀? The key words there are the verbs la and wo. What is the meaning of la? Simple. It is a word that can mean to break, to split, or to divide. Essentially, the word la is used to describe an action that is speedily done, something that happens very quickly, in a jiffy, in the twinkling of an eye. The breaking point of anything is always swift. When you want to divide something, for instance, the process of getting that done may take time, but the actual moment when it happens is brisk. It is swift and quick. If you and I are running, and then I speedily overtake you, mo ti là ẹ́ nìyẹn. So, là means to quickly overtake something, either by splitting it, by breaking it, or by defeating it, or by dividing it. In the name Alao, the la there means to speedily divide, to speedily defeat, to overcome. And this is what makes the next word in the name to make sense. The word wo. Wo simply means to collapse, to crush down. What happens when a thing has been speedily defeated? What happens, for instance, when a house has been divided into two? The halves crush down, they collapse. Wa wo lulẹ̀. So what is the meaning of Alao, popularly known as Alao? The there is a noun maker, which simply means he, who, or the one that. La, in this context, is to defeat by dividing, and wo means to be crushed down. Therefore, the child named Alao is a child whose portion shall be the dividing and the crushing down of the enemy. Ọmọ tó máa la àwọn ọ̀tá títí táwọn ọ̀tá ó fi wó lulẹ̀. Imagine the profound prophecy in that name. The child who shall defeat his foes by dividing them and crushing them down and collapsing them. Alao. So if you bear the name Alao, or you know anyone who does, make sure they see this video. They must know the meaning of their name. They must connect with the good prophecy found in that name. Alao, Alao, ọmọ tó máa la ọ̀tá tí tọ́ta ó fi wó lulẹ̀. That is the meaning of that unique Oriki. Wàá Ṣere.